What is exception? An exception is an abnormal condition that arises in a code sequence at runtime. In other words, an exception is a runtime error. What is runtime error? While running the program, if we encounter any errors, we call that errors as runtime errors. While compiling the program, if we encounter any errors, we call that errors as compilation time errors. Right? Now, let us consider the following program. Whether this program compiles, whether this program runs, what's your answer? Pause the video for 1 minute and just think. This program compiles successfully, but if you run the program, it throws runtime error or exception. Let us analyze why this program is throwing runtime error or exception. Inside main method, the statement int a equal to 42 divided by d is throwing runtime error or exception because we are trying to divide 42 by 0, which we can't do. Therefore, if we run the program, we get the following exception. Let us try to understand this output. Arithmetic exception is a type of exception that occurs whenever there is an arithmetic error. With respect to our program, dividing 42 by 0 is an arithmetic error. Therefore, we are getting arithmetic exception. And this arithmetic exception is the name of the class that is present in the package called java.lang. We shall discuss packages in upcoming sessions, right? Yeah. Note, in arithmetic exceptions, A and E are in uppercase. Since arithmetic exception is class name, in class names, the first letter of the first word always must be in uppercase. Here, arithmetic is one word and exception is second word. Therefore, A and E are in uppercase, right? Yeah. Following arithmetic exception, we have colon and then divide by 0, which describes why this arithmetic exception has occurred. As we know that this exception has occurred because of division by 0, right? Yeah. Next, we have at exe0.main and inside parenthesis we have exe0.java :4. Here, exe0 is class name and main is method name, followed by file name exe0.java and then colon followed by 4, which indicates line number where exception has occurred. Let us check whether the error has occurred at line number 4. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we can see at line number 4 the statement int a equal to 42 divided by d is throwing arithmetic exception, right? Now, the statement exe0.main and inside parenthesis exe0.java :4 can be read like this. In class exe0, there is main method. And inside this main method, at line number 4, an exception has occurred, that is arithmetic exception. And this exception is present in file name called exe0.java, right? So whenever we see exceptions in the program, we need to read or understand the exceptions in the way I have read right now. right? Yeah. Next, I would like to ask a question. Whether is it possible to handle exceptions in program? What's your answer? Yes, we can handle. Handling exceptions in program is called exception handling. I repeat, handling exceptions in program is called exception handling. Exception handling is managed via 5 keywords, that is try, catch, throw, throws, and finally. Right? Yeah. Now, let me ask a question. Why exception needs to be handled? Yes, can you think? As we know that an exception is a runtime error. Whenever there is a runtime error in the program halts its execution, that is, the program terminates abruptly. But with exception handling, we can continue the execution of the program even though there is an error in the program. That is, program continues its execution as if there is no exception in the program. Right? Yeah. I believe you understood. Right? Yeah. Finally, I would like to summarize what we have discussed. An exception is a runtime error. Whenever an exception occurs in the program terminates abruptly. Right? So this exception can be handled in the program using exception handling mechanism. That is via 5 keywords: try, catch, throw, throws, and finally. Right? I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe for more videos. Thank you.